Hi, if you're getting the error this file has an unsupported compression type, this is what you can do to fix it in Premiere Pro. So, you need to go to Edit, you need to go to Preferences, you need to go to Media Cache, and then in Media Cache, we have an option to remove media cache files. And if you click on Delete, there are two options. Delete unused media cache files and delete all media cache files. Now, as you can see, it says available only when no projects are open. So you will need to save whatever you're working on, your project. I'm going to exit, and then I'm going to restart Premiere. And now what you're going to do is just close this. You're going to go to your edit, you're going to go to preferences, we go to media cache, we do delete, and now this option is available. But first try to do this because it just deletes your unused media files. And that usually fixes the problem, but sometimes the files that you are using are not deleted, and those files are the ones that are problematic. So if this doesn't fix the issue, you are just going to click the other option and it will delete all your media cache files, and then you can import your footage and edit as usual. If that doesn't work, you can try to change just the file location of your footage. So just move it to a different folder and try to import it that way. Hope that helps.